otumfo ne ne mpanyimfo a wɔahyia mu anɔpɛ yɛbaeɛ a yɛnkura bɔne na yɛtwerɛ letter ɛbaeɛ sɛ anke pɛ sɛ yɛbɛbɔ nana amanneɛ kakra enti medina yɛpanyin sɛ lomadadebo anamu ɛde nkyia ɛbrɛ mu from your board management and staff MTN na yɛbaeɛ a sɛ nana bɛkaeɛ a last year bɛyɛ November mu hɔ no yɛbaa ha bɛkyia no kakra ɔno no kɔkaa sɛ ankeɛ mu yɛ nan yɛntiantia ɛwɔ efie ha na yɛkɔɔyɛ no ankyɛ ɛna yɛnya a nkaebɔ sɛ promote the chief executive Salomadadebo as group commercial officer ɛna yɛde nipa foforɔ esi na name na nipa no yɛfrɛ no Stephen Blewett ɔno nso ofiri South Africa nso wayɛ adwuma wɔ Africa West Africa ha wayɛ adwuma wɔ ha wayɛ adwuma wɔ Benin wayɛ adwuma wɔ Cameroon sisi a ɔyɛ based in Ivory Coast so no be si na name enti yɛte yɛnya saa kaibɔ no ɛna yɛyɛ sɛ wɔsi yɛpɛmmerɛ na anke yɛbɛto na n'anim na yɛka kyerɛ no na yɛda n'ase ɛwɔ yi support a ɛne mmoa a na ɛne Asantehene ɛde ama selo ne mmerɛ a wɔde CEO ɛsɛ ɔkɔ bɛyɛ mfensia a yɛsɛ ɔno ne the longest serving CEO wɔ MTN Ghana nti ne yɛbaeɛ a na kyerɛ sɛ amanneɛ a ɛwɔ hɔ no sɛ yɛbaeɛ ntumi mɛka nkyerɛ no sɛ yɛankasa sɛ yɛpromote no ɛnigye sɛ sɛ yɛpromote no na yɛabɛda n'ase nso nti ɛno ara nti neɛ yɛnam bakyɛw yɛ CEO no sɛno ɛdebɔ nti yɛbaeɛ nso a na yɛbaeɛ ntumi ɛmfa yɛn nsa paan ma ɛde ɛyi kakra akyɛdeɛ kakra ɛde brɛ nana ne mpanyinfoɔ ɛyɛ adeɛ yɛde bɛbɔ amanneɛ na last year so yɛbaeɛ sɛ yɛpanyin mu sɛ lɔmɔkɔi nneɛma bebree na MTN yɛyɛ nti na nkɛ bɛsɛ yɛbɔ nankaeɛ nneɛma na sɛlɔ ɔbɛyɛ CEO wayɛ sɛ wohwɛ MTN sɛ yɛ result a ɛyɛ adeɛ a yɛakɔ yɛnim yie na yɛwɔ projects bebree so ɛwɔ Ghana ha yɛyɛ projects na yɛtɔ pete obiara nya bi Asantehene ha nso yɛ make sure say a very important key market ɛwɔ Ghana man mu ha ɛma MTN nti yɛ make sure say also protocol me benya ɔmo fair share nti yɛ project say school adan ne adeɛ last year say na to nsafrɛ sɛ ke mɛboa no na yɛn save Conformity Hospital ɛbɛtɔ yɛ panyin mu sɛ lomanim ɛna yɛn yɛbɛboa na yɛde kakrawa yɛwɔ yɛde bɛboa na ɛno akyi yɛwɔ scholarships yɛde ma university for last year nipa 65 ɛwɔ Asantehene mu ha ɛna wɔnyɛ bi yɛwɔ program bi a yɛfrɛ no enterprise program na enterprise program no ɛyɛ program a yɛma ɛyi sika kakra a yɛde ma small micro businesses nyinaa so Asantehene mu ha ɛyɛ yɛka nti na sɛ yɛbɛbɔ nana amanneɛ sɛ sɛlɔ mu ɛkɔ ne yɛde saa nneɛma no so to n'anim sɛ sɛlɔ ɔbaayɛ no waboa MTN waboa Ghana ɛne yɛda ho nyinaa ase yɛda nana nso ase ɛwɔ support a ɔde ama MTN ɛne sɛlɔ time a ɔde di CEO na sɛ nana bɛma yɛn mmerɛ a anka the CEO no nkasa nso
I drink a nina when we said, maybe I'm a better than us. We start here nearby, Chairman says, in what be I against somebody, what advice on the mind, FA Cup issues, so, for Churchy, we say, you're trying to support it. It's a sign of money now, Vodafone issues, so friends say, you're supporting. I what my queen. What be prayer? What they are mammy, so better than us. Some new ways. Tell me, that's a great.
So, thank you very much for all that you've done, and I'm grateful to the Lord for your promotion because you've done so well.
Joe!
I knew when it started, when you came here, that you were taking over from Mr. Asante.
Joe!
And I said to him that I have all the belief and assurance that we can perform. All the evidence on paper indicates that you've done
Joe!
steered the ship very well. MTN now is in a good state as compared to when you took over.
Joe!
Your share in the market is still growing and growing and growing.
Joe!
Last time I had Terrace of the computer coming here, I said, look, MTN is far ahead and therefore I don't know how you're going to catch up. But,
Joe!
Well, that's how it is. But in this age of globalization, that is where we need you more.
Joe!
A few days ago, the whole country and the whole West Africa were all down because people, banking system, everything was down because of a breakdown in equipment or something.
Joe!
So that is where the world is now.
Joe!
Therefore, we would rely on your technology and everything in terms of its advancement to help their technological advancement.
Joe!
MTN, as we have been doing, it's not about innovative ways of transforming societies where we are looking for digitalization and all that, as we call it.
Joe!
Now we look at deaths and births being registered from day one, and all will come through your so we count on you for Ghana will develop if your systems are also well advanced and well developed. So we would count on you, and we hope that in terms of education, STEM, and all those things are all now learned. Distance learning and everything are all through your systems and everything. So know that you have a major place in the development of this country.
Joe!
And therefore you cannot disappoint.
Joe!
But we look forward to you introducing more innovative ideas and programs and everything for us to be able to advance further.
Joe!
I know that there's always a tussle between you and the taxes and government and all those things. So you try and put your books right and government puts the books right so we can then reconcile to know we are on the same path.
Joe!
But I believe strongly that your successor should be able to continue from where you are. Are you going to South Africa or you'll be here?
South Africa.
South Africa. And that's a new environment. I look forward to you this one. But that's for the group.
Yes.
So Asante is also there.
He's also in the group, but he's based.
He's based in Ghana. And unfortunately you have to go there.
Negotiate it better.
But I hope that is for the better. So please go and prove to them that you're a very worthy ambassador of ours and that you're worth your promotion. And I know you can do it.
Joe!
But still, whilst you're there, remember Ghana.
Absolutely.
You have to make sure that when you're fighting for anything, you bring some here.
Joe!
Not to live in South Africa. I think they're taking a chunk of it, but make sure you bring some.
Joe!
Thank you. And please, he's leaving, but he'll be there. And you have a new one coming. Please make sure that if there are any issues, let's call him and then he can direct and advise us to what to do.
Joe!
I thank you for coming today. It's a big family. She looks after me and my phones. I have all these old phones, so she has to make sure. But I thank you very much. And your face fitted in very well since she came. She's doing a good job.
She's doing a fantastic job.
Yeah, she's fitted in very well.